Hi there, everyone, and welcome back to another special episode of Chill and Trade TV. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. But if you're back here again, guys, welcome back. It's been a while. That's because the market hasn't really been playing out as much. So that's also one thing you guys need to realize that you can't trade each and every day. That's impossible, guys. So be careful of these people who you follow on social media that post trades each and every single day, guys. There's no such thing. This is the market, guys. This is not AI, it's real life, real market. So you could spend, for me, example, because I want to be as transparent and open as possible, guys. I've been waiting for setups for like 2 months and I missed my setup. It happens, guys. It happens. You can have a setup, wait 2 or 3 months for it to play out, and then you miss it. It happens, guys. So whatever you do, you need to remember that this is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. That's where your discipline actually comes into place. Are you going to take trades that you're not supposed to be trading because you've been patient and waiting for the trade and you missed it? So yeah, guys, just want to be honest. Excuse me, and transparent with you guys. You don't trade each and every day. But nonetheless, guys, I hope you guys understand and really let that sink in. That must sink in. That must sink in, guys, truthfully. So, in this week's video, guys, we'll be looking at Nasdaq and gold. So, I see a few setups playing out and a few setups I missed as well, but I'm not revenge trading at the same time because I do see the setups playing out and I want to highlight them. So, Nasdaq, guys, as you can see, do have, let me just go to the daily actually. Let me just go to the daily. We still do have this strong push to the upside. So now we know the overall direction is still bias, guys. We have this huge impulse to the upside, and the market is still going to continue to the upside. Let's go down to the lower time frame. So these are the zones, or actually, yeah, these are just my zones where I spot my trading opportunity in. Spot my trading opportunity in, guys. So as you can see, it's still same. And actually, now that we zoomed in, you can see. Let me get this. You can see price pushed up, and it's giving us a little bit of a pushback or a correction might be playing out, but we'll see on the lower time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. Let me just go back. Let me just go back to 1 hour. Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on that notification bell, ladies and gentlemen. So what I've noticed recently with Nasdaq is that it's been break retest, break retest, break retest, break retest. Not much of my trading style has been out, but I want to take advantage of this break and retest strategy as well. As you can see a zone here, nice zone there. So price went broke, fill up the gap, and now it's pushing up to the upside, pushing up to the upside. And also, if I can just highlight, okay, let me just push this there. You can see price broke, gave us a retest there, and pushed the to the upside again. So right now I'm just gonna follow what the market's telling me. Let me just adjust this, just there. It didn't go all the way back to the zone, but I'm going to test the zone, so it's a good entry. It's a good entry. Anyway, let me just do this. Right. So now we can see the behavior of Nasdaq, behavior of Nasdaq as well. So I also marked it previously, but I was just trying to have a look if it's really going to follow this. So when I see that it's really following it, so yeah. And if we go here, we can also see that the market also broke above, went back to retest, broke again, and then retest. And then now it might be pushing to upside. Let me go to the 15 minutes actually. Let me go to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, as you can see. And we have a nice double bottom here. And then price push aggressively to the upside. So I'm still anticipating those pushes, guys. I'm still anticipating price to go to the upside until here. And once price reaches here, we'll see what it does. We will see what it does. Hopefully, it will give us a nice breakout. If it breaks this previous high and the previous higher high, which is this one labeled there, which is this one, then we can say, okay, let's continue to the upside. Just keep on looking for continuations to the upside, guys. So that's my analysis on Nasdaq, guys. That is my analysis on Nasdaq. I hope you guys see what I see. Like I usually say, we might have different trading strategies or trading styles, but as long as we get the same direction correctly, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. I'm gonna go back to the 1 hour because I like taking my trades on the 1 hour. I like taking my trades on the 1 hour. Alright, now let's go to gold. My favorite pair, guys. This is the pair that made me who I am, what I am in the forex game. Gold, gold. So with the previous analysis video, guys, I remember I did mention that with gold we are looking for buys to the upside. Initially, we're looking for buys to the upside. However, as you can see, no one controls the market. The market just decided to push up and then that's scramble, just do whatever it's doing. Give us a downtrend, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, guys. Lower highs and lower lows. So I do see that it might be possibly giving us a pattern within a pattern, but I don't want to overcomplicate this setup. The buyers have enough momentum. So I do anticipate that price is still going to continue to the downside. Price is still going to continue to the downside. So my bias here has changed. Has changed. I'll be looking for sells. But the overall move, long-term move is the bias, but the short-term, medium terms is currently what we're looking for, which is the sells. So let me just do this. Remove that. As you can see, this is one of my patterns I trade. I spotted Friday, and then Monday open the market. That's what happened, but it's all good. Let me just remove that. So right now, guys, I want to focus on what's currently happening here between here, guys. As you can see, President closed this gap and it is pushing to the downside. However, let me do this. I want to close here, close here. To also have that. Whether I close the gap. Alright. So this is my focus, guys. I am looking for sales. This is what I am anticipating. This is what I am anticipating. Price might go back to the zone, and then go all the way to the downside, back to the previous zone. And as well, I am anticipating price to break the zone and continue to the downside. And I'll look for continuation increase, guys. That is what I am anticipating, right? But okay, not but also price might be giving us something like this correction or continuation pattern and then break out. So with this kind of steps, guys, I'm planning on leaving my TP open. I'm planning on just leaving my take profit open. So you can either enter when price goes back to retest the zone and take this away, or wait for this pattern to out and then enter. So with me, like I said, I plan on leaving this open because of how the market has been pushing aggressively to the downside. To the downside. Where is my bus? Mm, See, they still potential to go to the downside. And from there, okay. So we'll just use the previous impact to the downside as the target, the take profit target. So that's it for gold, guys. Currently, that's what I am anticipating. Just price to continue pushing to the downside because this is the downtrend. Lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So, and see, it keeps breaking the previous lows, previous lows. It's breaking the previous lows. Here, price failed to break this high because technically it's at the same level or area. So, and you see how aggressive it pushed to the downside again. So, anticipating that this previous low is going to be broken. And as you can see, also slightly broke this previous low. Let me see something. Let me use this. See, it broke it. This might be a breakout, but it did break and then tried to push to the upside. But because it failed to break these previous highs, guys, and see how aggressively this came in. I know this is a downtrend.